Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the trigonometry problems which are related to JEE Mains and MSET. See the first question I am going to discuss now. If Pn equal to cos power n theta plus sin power n theta, then Pn minus 2 equal to k into Pn minus 4, then the value of k options are given. Which option is going to get to is see that. First condition you have to take that. What condition is given? Pn minus 2. So Pn means this value cos power n theta plus sin power n theta minus Pn minus 2. Wherever n is there, n minus 2 are treated and each and every term multiplying the minus. Minus cos power n minus 2 theta minus sin power n minus 2 theta. Now from these two I am taking common from first and third term. I am taking common cos power n minus 2 theta. If we take common from these two cos power n minus theta, here it will become 1, but here cos square theta will come, see, bases are equal, power should be added, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, cos square n theta only. So minus 1. From these two same, plus sin power n theta, n minus 2 theta if you take common, sin square theta minus 1. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. Here cos square theta minus 1 is then minus sin square theta. So minus cos power n minus 2 theta into sin square theta. Here also minus cos square theta will come, minus sin power n minus 2 theta into cos square theta. But according to the condition, Pn minus 4 we want. So somewhere we have to get n minus 4. How it is? From in this sin and cos terms are there. In this also sin and cos terms are there. Now I am going to take common from both terms. Minus also will take common. Minus sin square theta into cos square theta if you take common. Here positive cos square theta if you take common. Here cos power n minus 2 is there. To get that value, cos power n minus 4 theta, is it right? Bases are equal, cosine divided, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 n minus 2, it will be no change. There will be no affected like this if you take. And minus also no, plus from these two also sin square theta, cos square theta minus if you take common, it will become sin power n minus 4 theta. By using the given condition, here n is there, means the power is also n. The power is n minus 1, this value is Pn minus 4, which is equal to minus sin square theta into cos square theta into Pn minus 4. This value is equal to Pn minus 4. Therefore, Pn minus 2. Pn minus 2 is equal to k into Pn minus 4. Now comparing these two, so k value is, therefore the value of k is equal to minus sin square theta into cos square theta. This is the value of k. This value is there in the second option. So second option is the right option. See the next question, second one. If cos x by a equal to cos of x plus theta by b equal to cos of x plus 2 theta by c equal to cos of x plus 3 theta by d, then a plus c by b plus d. Whenever like this values are given equal to k or 1 you can take is equal to k. While the all in terms of k will be there in the common terms in numerator and denominator and then cancel it. Otherwise you take better to 1 easy. So a plus c divided by b plus d. So a we can take this side. So a is equal to cos x will come plus c is equal to ck equal to cos of x plus theta. Sorry, c value no, x plus 2 theta. Cos of x plus 2 theta divided by b plus d. B means bk is equal to cos of x plus theta. Here cos of x plus theta plus dk, that means k is equal to cos of x plus 3 theta, x plus 3 theta. Now apply transformations. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, x plus 2 theta by 2 means 2x plus 2 theta by 2, x plus theta. into cos c minus b by 2, x minus 2 theta by 2 means 2 to get cancelled, cos of minus theta is theta, divided by 2 into cos of x plus x 2x plus 4 theta, theta plus 3 theta. So it will become cos of x plus 2 theta into cos of x plus theta minus x minus 3 theta. This will be cancelled, minus 2 theta by 2 means theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So these two will be cancelled, these two will be cancelled. Cos of x plus theta can be written as bk divided by cos of x plus 2 theta is ck, that is equal to b by c. So b by c is there in the third option. So by applying the transformations here, which formula we applied in both the numerator and denominator? We applied the cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Come to next question. Secant square theta equal to 4xy by x plus y whole square is true if and only if these are the values. We know that since secant square theta is greater than or equal to 0, that means 4xy divided by x plus y whole square is greater than or equal to 1. Secant square theta is greater than or equal to 1. So we can write it as 4xy is greater than or equal to x plus y whole square. So these values we can take this side. 4xy minus x plus y whole square is greater than or equal to 0. But by using algebraic expression, this can be written as 4ab minus a plus b whole square is minus of a plus b whole square. That means minus of x minus y whole square is greater than or equal to 0. If we remove minus here, inequality will be changed. X minus y whole square is less than or equal to 0. That implies x minus y is less than or equal to 0. X is equal to y. So x is equal to y is only possibility. Suppose if x and y, suppose if x is equal to y, both should be equal to 0, what happens? If it is x is equal to y or y is equal to 0? If it is x equal to 0 means secant square theta is equal to 0. What happens? It is undefined theta value. Is indeterminate form will come. Indeterminate form will come. This is the next question, fourth question. If cos A by cos B equal to sin of C minus theta by sin of C plus theta, then tan theta equal to, these are the options. So whenever like this form it is there, you have to apply component on divided the property. So by using componendo and dividendo, cos A plus cos B, cos A minus cos B divided by cos A plus cos B is equal to sin of C minus theta minus sin of C plus theta divided by sin of C minus theta plus sin of C plus theta. Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, that means A plus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2 whole divided by cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, that means A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2, which is equal to here to get cancelled. Sin of A minus B minus sin of A plus B. Generally sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B is there, 2 cos A sin B. But here minus is there, no? Why? Because these two will be interchanged. So it will become minus 2 sin C into cos theta. 2 cos C sin theta divided by sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B means 2 sin C into cos theta. Here to get cancelled, here minus here cancel. Sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. Here B by 2. That means tan of A plus B by 2. Sin of A minus B by 2, cos of A minus B by 2. Tan of A minus B by 2. is equal to cos C by sin C, cot C, into sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. They are asking only tan theta. So this cot C we can take this as cot C we can take 1 by cot C. 1 by cot C means what? Tan C. Therefore, tan of a plus b by 2, tan of a minus b by 2 into tan C is equal to tan theta. So which is there in the which option? Third option. So tan theta value is tan of a plus b by 2, tan of a minus b by 2 into tan C. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please do subscribe. If you have any doubts, please write to my inbox. I will respond. Thank you very much.